Are you having a hard time reaching your goals? In this video, how to set SMART goals. What is SMART goals? SMART is a mnemonic acronym giving criteria to guide in setting of goals and objectives that are assumed to give better results. Did you hear that? They give better results. So here we are, the 5 elements of SMART goals. The goal should be clear and precise. Measurable. Ask yourself, can you track your progress towards the goal? What system are you going to use to track it? And if you feel a little bit lost here, I'll explain more in detail later. Achievable. Be realistic. Can you achieve this goal? For example, the goal is running a 5K in 3 weeks. Maybe unrealistic if you never ran before. Relevant. Does this goal align with your long-term goal? Why are you doing this goal? Time limit. When will you achieve this goal by? What is the deadline? If you're like any of my clients I've worked with, usually the goal is so big that we need to work on making it smaller so it becomes easier to take action. Let's take this one step further. Number 1, decide what area you're going to focus on. Is that health, wealth, career, personal development, relationship, or spiritual? Pick one focus area for now. You can always come back to create SMART goals for other areas later. Number 2, brainstorming. Write everything down that comes up for you. Number 3, from the list you created, pick the first thing that needs to happen to achieve your goal. Number 4, create SMART goals. And here's an example on how you can apply this in your real life. Number 1, the focus is health. Number 2, brainstorming ideas. Maybe you say, I want to drink more water, work out more, increase my protein intake. Maybe go on nature walks, drink matcha instead of coffee. Number 3, pick one thing you want to focus on, working out. Apply SMART goals. So going to the gym for a week for 30 minutes on Mondays and Wednesdays after work at 6 p.m. Measurable. I will mark the days I work out on my calendar, use an Apple Watch or apps to track the workout. Achievable. Yes, it's achievable. I can commit to going to the gym 2 times a week. I've done this before and I can do it again. Relevant. My long-term goal is to have better health and this aligns with that goal. Time limit, 1 month deadline. Maybe you say 1 month from today. And there you have it. That is how you set SMART goals. If you're still having challenges with setting goals and you want to learn more about creating goals or habits that are easy to commit to, check out my video on micro habits. I'll link it above and in the description down below. I want to end with talking about accountability. Ask yourself, how will you keep yourself accountable to this goal? Sometimes in the beginning, accountability partners can be great, especially if you know you need that extra support. Some people that can hold you accountable can be your friends, personal trainers, coaches. Ideally, you want to work towards holding yourself accountable. And until next time.